How to share WhatsApp group link. First is by opening your WhatsApp and then go ahead to the group that you want to share. Click on the name of the group and then scroll down and look for the participants section. So go ahead and click on invite to group via link and then you may click on copy link right here or send link via WhatsApp or even the QR code. If you cannot see this option, then make sure to click on the add participants button found here. Again, just a recap, you need to open your WhatsApp, go to the group, click on the group name, scroll down and look for the participants, and click on invite to group link. So that's it. That's how you can share a WhatsApp group link.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.